Welcome to this video in the How To Writing series. Today, we're looking at the passive voice. Voice is a term to describe whether the subject of the sentence does the action or receives the action. Consider the sentence, "The desks were moved around in the classroom." The subject, the desks, were acted upon by someone. This is called the passive voice. If we say instead, "The teacher moved the desks around the classroom," the subject of the sentence is now the teacher. She is the one doing the action of moving the desks. This is called the active voice. For many general types of writing, such as personal letters or creative writing, writers are often told to avoid the passive voice and to write in the active voice only. We'll look at the passive voice in the context of academic and scientific writing, where the passive voice is much more common, and at times needed. And though it is usually discouraged, there are times when using the passive voice in other types of writing is also acceptable. Let's pause here and check your understanding with the following task.